you can find snapping in the status bar over here. And there we have several snapping types that we can activate or deactivate. For example, the line grid is now activated. So when I want to add a 1D member, I have here my line grid where I have now those dots available, like that. We have as well a dot grid. So if I activate that one and take again a 1D member, you have now here the dots available every 1 meter in my graphical window. And I can add an element like that. We'll deactivate it again, and you see here as well the tracking guides. Let us show you what that does. Again, a 1D member, I pick randomly a point. And now you see here, when you go in the X direction, we have that red dotted line, which indicates the X direction. We have the blue one in the Z direction and the green one in the Y direction. So if we take, for example, the Z direction, we use the spacebar to activate the SCIA spotlight. And if we now type 2, enter, we have added an element with the tracking functionality in the Z direction of 2 meters. Further on, we have endpoints available, midpoints, or the centers of an arc or a circle, intersections, normal or orthogonal points, and tangential points. So let us show you what that does. If we take a column type, we put it insertion point at the top, and I can take here an end node or a midpoint or the other end node. If I take a 1D member, and I go over here, then I can go orthogonally to that element here as well. And if we look at our circle, we can go orthogonally to the circle or tangentially to one of the sides. And I can go to the center of that circle. Okay, then let us show you the line divisions. If we activate it, we can divide a line in multiple items. For example, we will divide it in 10. We'll use a beam. And I see here, for example, I have now every 1/10 a snapping point available. The last option that I would like to show you, I will turn off this one, is points online. Now we can define a distance, for example, 1.5 meters. You can repeat it if you like. You can take it from the start, the end, or on both. So let us take the beginning. And if I now take an element, for example, here I see from the beginning of the beam 1.5 meters, another one in the middle, apparently, and so on, 1.5 meters. And I can use that one as well.